Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix when your PlayStation VR controllers simply are not working in the game. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So the first thing we want to do is turn on our PlayStation VR controllers, then use another controller, and then go to the top on the home screen and go to Settings. So here's Settings. Let's go to this. And then go on down to where it says Accessories. Now, go to Bluetooth Accessories and find your left and right PSVR2 controllers. So I can see they're connected, but I'm simply going to press X on this, and I'm going to delete it from here. So let's delete the left stick, and then go to the right and delete this. Now that these are deleted, we're going to resync them back to my PlayStation 5. So plug in a USB cable, and then plug in the controllers. So let's go to the USB end here and plug this in and press the PlayStation button, and it should be connected to the PlayStation 5 automatically. Now let's connect the other one. So I can see it popping up on my screen right now. So let's plug this in, and then right away it just simply connects. I didn't even need to press the PlayStation button to turn it on. Now if this didn't work for you, another thing that you can try is going to your game. So here's Horizon Call of the Mountain. I'm going to use my PlayStation 5 controller and start this game up. And right now, I'm going to leave my PlayStation VR controllers turned off. So if you can't turn them off, what you could do is press the PlayStation button and then go on over to Accessories. Right here I can see my controller. It's just about dead. And I can locate the controllers under here, and I can manually turn them off under this menu. But I don't have them plugged in yet. So now with the game launched, I'm going to press the PlayStation button now. And I'm going to turn them on. So I can see the left one is connected. Now I have to go to the right one, press the PlayStation button here, and turn this on. And this one should be connected now too. And I need to charge my controller apparently. So another thing you can try is going to the pass-through mode on your headset, where you can see like your surrounding area, and go back to your controller and start mashing a bunch of buttons, and sometimes this will actually make it work. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If you did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.